The next item is consideration to name the Dr. Norman and Jane Lee Chemical Engineering Separations area in recognition of a very generous gift from the Lee Family Charitable Foundation that's been facilitated by David Lee, who's a 95 chemical engineering grad from Purdue. And so, Jay, if you would walk us through
Sure.
the proposal.
Yes, David and the Lee Family Foundation want to honor Dr. Norman Lee, who is David's father, who is an internationally renowned scientist with more than 45 U.S. patents and more than 100 technical papers, all in the field of separation science and technology. Dr. Jane Lee, David's mother, is also a successful entrepreneur and partners with her husband licensing proprietary membrane technology for water treatment, making an international impact. In addition to this named separations area, the funds will be used to create a named professorship. They'll also be used to create a student support fund in chemical engineering in the separation area and to establish and support the Lee Family Semiconductor Scholarship Endowment. So, Madam Chair, in recognition of the generous support and commitment of David H. Lee and the Lee Family Foundation, I respectfully ask the board's approval to name the Dr. Norman and Dr. Jane Lee Chemical Engineering Separations area in the Davidson School of Chemical Engineering.
Thank you. Do we have a motion to approve?
So moved.
Second.
Discussion? All in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Excellent. Wonderful.
Our Purdue-Davidson School of Chemical Engineering is an outstanding department with great faculty and students and staff, and separation is a critical area in the Davidson School.
The separations area is one of the core fundamental disciplines and areas within chemical engineering. And of course, we have several faculty who are world leaders in separations research.
Separations are very important for producing high purity chemicals, and these are very important for our daily lives, our mobility, and our environment.
We're so excited that through this gift we'll be able to advance innovation in this critical area for our society.
This is a great honor because Dr. Norman Lee is a giant in the field of separations.
For me, when I think of separations, the first person I think of is Norman Lee. For the separations program to be named in honor of the Lees is just a fantastic occurrence, and we're just so grateful that we can attach their famous names to the separations area of our school.
Wow, I thought this is great honor to have their names linked to our program, indicating their confidence and their endorsement of the research in chemical engineering.
My initial response or reaction was just incredible gratitude.
Immensely proud of this privilege to have our separation area to be attached to two outstanding individuals, and Dr. Norman Jane Lee.
Separations research is the heart of chemical engineering, and so I think by having the Norman Lee Endowment for the separations area, including the professorships and the recognition of outstanding students, I think this will be a tremendous momentum for the School of Chemical Engineering as we push the frontiers of separations to greater heights.
Now their generous gifts will benefit many people, faculty, students at Purdue.
We're immensely grateful to the Lee Family Charitable Foundation. And when I talk to our wonderful alum, David Lee, I understand how much this means to our students and faculty and staff, the limitless potential that this transformational gift can provide us with to enable even stronger research and innovation in separation area. So we're very grateful, we're very excited about the changes to our curriculum and the ability to carry out even more research because of this gift.
First, I would like to say a big thank you for your mentorship, your friendship, and your help and support over the past 30 years. So a big thank you first, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Norman. Happy 90th birthday, and hopefully many more.
Happy 90th birthday. I hope that you and your whole family will have a wonderful time to celebrate, and I look forward to be welcoming you to Purdue campus this April. Happy birthday.